Good morning, friends. Welcome to SBI Securities morning podcast. In today's podcast, we will be discussing what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on, along with the key levels for both the indices. We'll also be discussing on the key sectors and stocks that we should be focusing for the day and the next few trading sessions. While the previous year ended on a strong note, Nifty gaining 28.61% and mid cap as well as small cap indices outperforming by recording gains to the tune of 62.54 and 71% respectively. It was the railway and the defense sectors that emerged as a focal point of the year, recording substantial gains of 174 and 159%. Apart from strong performances by Nifty Realty, Auto, Capital Goods, PSU and Power Spaces. We expect the outperformance to continue in these sectors with a predominant focus on large caps and high quality mid caps ahead of the general elections in April-May 2024. Avoid small caps as of now. The last day of the previous financial year saw Nifty beginning the day on a positive note and steadily appreciating through the day towards 22,500 level. Though towards the end the index faced intense selling which was triggered by profit booking, giving up a large chunk of the gains for the day. Despite that, the index managed to close about 22,300, which is a positive. The market breadth for the index ended up on an overwhelming positive note with 88% of the constituents ending the day in the green, 34% of which boosted gains of more than 2%. Among the sectorial indices, Nifty PSU Bank and Nifty Healthcare were the top gainers for the day, while Nifty Media was the top loser. Coming to the macro factors, while the dollar index is trading at elevated levels of 104.55, US 10-year yields have witnessed a minor cool off towards 4.2%. Brent crude oil is trading closer towards the short-term swing high, that is $87.60 a barrel, and looking stronger towards a move towards $90-92 a barrel. The trend of crude oil prices coupled with the movement of USD INR inching higher would be extremely crucial from an Indian standpoint. Coming to the key levels for the index going forward, while the support lies around 22,180, the zone of 22,400-420 will be the immediate hurdle for the index for the day. Any substantial move above the levels of 22,420 will lead to a move towards 22,530, 22,550 in the short term. In case the index slips below 22,180, it will lead to further selling pressure in the index up to 22,070, 22,050 mark. Coming to the OI data, Nifty PCR is currently at 1.18. Meaningful call writing is witnessed across 22,400, 22,500 strike, while on the put side it is witnessed across 22,200, 22,000 strike. The overall range for the coming few sessions could be 22,500 on the upside and 22,180 on the downside. Coming to Bank Nifty, the index has crucial support placed at the 20 EMA zone, that is the levels of 46,750, 46,800. The zone of 47,300, 47,350 will act as the crucial resistance for the index. Any substantial move above the levels of 47,350 will lead to a short covering rally in Bank Nifty up to 47,600, 47,700 in the short term. In case the index slips below 46,800, it will lead to further selling pressure in the index up to 46,450, 46,300 level. If we look at the Bank Nifty PCR for the weekly series, it is currently at 1. Significant call writing, if you see, is seen at 47,200, 47,500 strikes, and on the put side it is majorly seen in 47,000, 46,500 strike, implying a range of 46,800 on the downside and 47,550 on the upside for the next couple of sessions. If we look at stocks and sectors in momentum, capital goods and autos look relatively stronger than any other sector at the current juncture. From the broader market, if you see stocks, Grasim, the likes of Grasim, Ambuja Cement, HAL, L&T, Siemens, Eicher, Mahindra & Mahindra, Hero MotoCorp, Adani Entertainment, Cipla, Tata Steel, Sun Pharma, Maruti, Bharti Airtel, Ipca Lab, JSW Energy, Tata Communication, Radico, Credit Access. These are the counters which look positive both on the technical parameters as well as on the relative strength chart. Coming to the FI DI data, in the cash segment, both FIs and DIs were net biased into the tune of 188 and 2,691 crores respectively. FI long short ratio for index futures at the inception of the fresh series is currently at 44.83 on a net basis. This as they bought about 66,945 index futures. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for regularly listening to our podcast. Wishing you all an energetic day ahead. Do tune in tomorrow for more market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.